compliance, as they say, the weakest link chain is as strong as the weakest link. Sometimes we have seen that there is one person holding the culture of compliance in the company, which is the compliance officer. And sometimes there is a change of actors. That's how organizations work. Compliance officer will move on, and suddenly this whole edifice comes crumbling down, and the whole culture of compliance that was created, that gets compromised because the entire compliance culture was revolving around one person. Now, Manish, coming to you, how do we make sure that this one person does not become, a single point of failure? How do we inject this culture of compliance, which includes sensitivity, awareness, sense of urgency, the sense of doing what is right amongst every individual on the team, so that even if this one person is missing in action for a few days for vacations or personal time off, or in some cases change of actors, how do we make sure that this whole edifice that has been created, meticulously crafted over a period of time, doesn't just crumble?
This can happen, or it is happening in my organization, that I always keep a backup. You always have to prepare a backup team, so that even if I am taking care of GST or customs or imports and exports and other indirect taxation matter, so I have scaled up my teams so that whenever anybody wants to take any leave, so they are free to take that, and the compliance will not should not be compromised in their absence. So that mechanism we have made within our team. And one more thing is that compliance is a collective responsibility of everybody. You cannot say that, hey, Manish has done wrong, so I am from sales team or I am from purchase team, I can be excused. No, it cannot be. You have to have
theory sounds compelling.
Yeah.
How do we actually operationalize it? Like a lot of companies, the tone from the top is set by the chief compliance officer, and they are a strong personality, extremely knowledgeable, well respected, a veteran in compliance. As long as they are there, they are like that big police guy with a huge danda. Every time there is non-compliance, they'll come after the people. But once they are gone, as they say, the rats will play or the mice will play when the cat is away, sort of a situation. How do we move away from that culture?
So I think only system can, if we have a robust system in place or you can say through a digitization of the compliance activities, whatever is happening, so that if any person is not there, so the visibility of that function or that compliance role, or you can say the different different tax returns or challans or whatever is there, it has to be visible, whether it is being duly taken care well in time, or all the returns have been filed well in time. So all these things can happen only through digitization only. Human intervention can have its own limitation.